Good morning, my friends. Today is May 13th, 2020. It is Wednesday. Okay, so we are in the middle of the week. We're almost done the week. Um, but today for foundations, we are going to do our drill sound warm up. After our drill sound warm up, we're going to do another decoding train. After our decoding train, we are going to practice reading some sentences and decoding them. All right. Okay, friends. So let's get started with our vowels. All right. Repeat after me. Long A says A. Short A says A. Long O says O. Short O says ah. Long U says U. Short U says Long E says E. Short E says E. Long I says I. Short I says it. Good. Let's move on to our consonants, and then we'll go to our diagram. G, game, G. Q, queen, Qu. Good. P, pan, C, cat, K. F, fun, L, lamp, ooh. Z, zebra, J, jug, J. X, fox, X. S, snake, R, rat, ooh. Sharpen. Y, yellow, U. T, top, M, man, N, nut, H, hat, D, dog, D. B, bat, W, wind, K, kite, K. V, van, good job. TH, thumb, CH, chip, I'm sorry, CH, chin, ch. SH, ship, sh. CK, sock, k. WH, whistle. Good. So when you come back in the next video, we're going to go through our discussion on our decoding train, all right? So I'll see you in the next video, my friends.